will teach you how to adjusting the regulator, because maybe the speed is low. Maybe another case is engine cannot make this make pump enough moving, so maybe the RPM will be drop. Okay, so it means the engine cannot make the power hole is lower than the make pump. So how to do? We will adjusting the make pump regulator. Okay, so we will use the 13 range to loosen this the lock. This one, okay. This one is a empty cross. Losing this bolt. Okay. And this one use the 13. Okay. About the okay, and the anti-cross about the 90 angle. Okay, about the 90 angle. To try to see the machine, the performance is okay or not. This adjusting is reduce the power horse for the make pump. Okay, this one we need to finish this one later with this one. The anti-cross. Okay, losing. Okay, and later also use this one. We use the also adjusting 90 angle. Okay, okay, this one 90 angle to finish one. And if you have the 3 make pump, you use this way to adjust 3 regulator. Okay.